We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the wireless endoscope NIDAGE 5.5mm Wi-Fi borescope. This inspection camera has been praised for its versatility, ease of use, and practicality, but it also has a few quirks that users have noted. If you own this product, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Let's dive into what people are saying about this device. The NIDAGE Wireless Endoscope is equipped with a 5.5mm diameter probe, making it ideal for accessing narrow spaces that other borescopes might struggle to reach. Users appreciate this feature for tasks like inspecting pipes, drains, walls, and automotive components. Its semi-rigid cable is 33 feet long, offering flexibility while maintaining enough rigidity to navigate confined areas effectively. However, some users have noted that while the cable is bendable, it can be challenging to maneuver over long distance without additional support. Many customers highlight the 1080p HD camera as a standout feature. The 2MP CMOS sensor delivers clear visuals, which are essential for accurate inspections. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the camera quality is sufficient for most tasks. However, some reviewers mentioned that the resolution settings in the app don't seem to make a noticeable difference, although the default resolution is generally satisfactory. The IP67 waterproof rating and adjustable LED lights make this endoscope suitable for various environments, including wet or dark spaces. Users appreciate the ability to explore underwater areas or dimly lit corners with ease. Still, some have expressed a desire for brighter LEDs to illuminate larger spaces more effectively. The device operates wirelessly via Wi-Fi and is compatible with both Android and iPhone devices. Setting up the endoscope involves downloading the HDW Wi-Fi app and connecting your phone to the device's Wi-Fi network using a provided password. While most users find this process straightforward, others have reported issues with reconnecting after initial use. One reviewer shared a helpful tip. Turning off your phone's internet connection can make it easier to locate the NIDAGE network in your Wi-Fi settings. This workaround has proven effective for several users who struggled with connectivity issues. The rechargeable battery is another feature that users appreciate, as it eliminates the need for constant battery replacements. The battery life is generally sufficient for extended inspections, but a few reviewers noted that their units stopped holding a charge after repeated use, requiring them to keep the device plugged in during operation. In terms of build quality, many users commend the durable construction of the NIDAGE endoscope. It's designed to withstand industrial environments and frequent use. However, some customers were disappointed that the hard case shown in product photos was not included in their purchase. When contacted, the seller explained that they had discontinued including the case due to sizing issues, but offered to send one upon request, a gesture that many appreciated for its responsiveness. The endoscope comes with additional accessories like hooks for retrieving items from drains or other hard-to-reach places. These attachments add to its versatility and make it useful for various applications beyond inspections. Despite its strengths, there are limitations inherent in the design of this product. For instance, it's not suitable for viewing objects far away within larger spaces like walls or ceilings due to its close focus camera setup and limited lighting power. Additionally, steering the camera deep into confined areas can be challenging without pre-bending the cable strategically, a task that requires some trial and error. Overall, users agree that this endoscope offers excellent value for money given its features and performance within its price range. It's particularly useful for close-up inspections where high-end devices might be overkill or cost-prohibitive. Whether you're dealing with plumbing issues, pest control inspections, or automotive repairs, this gadget can save time and effort by providing clear visuals of inaccessible areas. If you're considering purchasing this endoscope or already own one, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Sharing your experience can help others decide if this tool is right for them. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product is available in the description and helps support our channel.